welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are on our way to do some beaver dam busting. So if that sounds like fun, stick around and find out what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. Alright, today I've got my cousin Owen with me and my cousin Addy with me. They're brother and sister, and we are here to bust up a beaver dam. So we're going to use the L3940 and we're going to reach with the backhoe. We're going to go backwards just in case we get stuck, we can push ourselves loose. And the beavers have really done quite a job here. We should be able, this is actually a road that is flooded out. If you remember a few videos ago, I fixed a culvert. Well, the beavers fixed the culvert for me. They really plugged it up, and there's a dam somewhere in here. Well, here's part of it, and it goes all the way across. This dam is probably maybe about 150 feet wide, and we're going to cause quite a flood. So stick around and see what happens. fun. All right, everybody, we took care of that. Owen did all the hard work, holding the camera. Good job, Addy. Good job, neighbor Todd. Tell YouTube, hey.
Hey.
We got a big channel, you know. I don't know if you follow us. There's 5,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. You don't believe me, do you? So yeah, people are gonna know you now.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the dam busted. It's opened up, and if you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel, give me a like, and until next time, keep on tractoring, and God bless. Years ago, we used to have some beaver problems too, and that right there across the creek is my dad's famous beaver blind. He would hide behind there and wait here late at night and blast beavers all night long. So I'll see if I can insert a picture of that in this video.